Welcome to my channel. My name is Jolly, and today's video is going to be another vlog style of video. I'm currently in Tagaytay, it's south of Manila, and I'm going to show you my view for today. Okay, so here is my table, and over here is the view. You can see the Taal volcano right there. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so it's a little cloudy today, so the view is not really that clear, but it's still a good day. It's a little hot. Okay, so now let's try to paint something just for today. Have our coffee and our dessert, blueberry cheesecake. Okay, for today's painting, I'm using Stillman and Burn. I think this is the Beta series, and I am going to use Shinhan PWC for my paint, and for my brush I'm using the Art Secret mark brush size 7, and I'm using the Black Velvet Voyage size 6. So we are going to attempt to paint Bougainvillea today. So I'm gonna show you a reference right there. But I took some photos, so we're going to use the photos here as reference. So let's grab some permanent rose, and I'm not going to dampen my brush so much because this paper cannot really handle water as well as other brands compared to Fabriano or Arches. So this is my reference photo. We are painting just the base first, and then we'll put a second layer to create the other petals. So it doesn't look much right now, but we are going to add more details later. Okay, so let's wait for this to dry first. Okay, so now I'm going to create the branch. You're going to paint short strokes and quick strokes just to give character to our branch. And now with sap green, we are going to paint the leaves. Then I'm going to add a little bit of indigo just to give the leaves some depth. As you can see, this paper it doesn't absorb the paint that well. The paint looks like it's sitting on top, but what I noticed is that it dries faster compared to a 100% cotton paper like Fabriano. Now we are going to add the second layer. So I want it to be transparent, like you can still see what's underneath. Let's try to add the center. Let's add a layer over here. Okay. Then try to add some veins. Just let this dry first. Okay, so let's add some veins. This is dry already. And I'm using my black velvet. Just add some thin lines. on the leaves. Try to define the petals.